Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to show Recycle Bin in the File Explorer. First of all, click on this PC. Then, go to the right top corner of your PC screen and click on View. In the View tab, click on Navigation pane, and then click on Show All Folders. Then, go below and here you can see this is a Recycle Bin option. Click on it, and now these are the files deleted by me. Then, click on View. Then click on Large icon. Now, you can view your deleted files in a large view. Then, double-click on anyone and here you can restore this video. After that, right-click on the video and then click on Delete. Your video or folder will be permanently deleted. That's the way to show Recycle Bin in the File Explorer. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.